Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi, and I hope guys that you all are doing great in your life. And today I have presented here with very beautiful and motivational English story to practice my English speaking and also help you to practice English speaking in the same way as I'm speaking. So come on guys, without any further delay, let's speak English. Actually guys, once upon a time there lived a very talented and famous painter in a town, and he used to make very beautiful and stunning painting, and many people from the different part of world used to come to see his painting, and also they appreciated his work a lot. And this young man, obviously he was always feeling very happy and glad to find this type of positive comment for his painting. But do you know guys that one day an uncertain thought started bothering him a lot. Means he started thinking like, do all the people really like my painting, or just they appreciate my painting just because of making me feel happy and satisfied with my work. So and means do they appreciate my work behind me? He wanted to know all these things, and just because of this uncertain thought, one day he made a plan to know about people's real and genuine opinion. So one day he placed his painting, means so one of his finest painting, in a very busy street and street corner, and also he dropped a note, and the note was written like, if you find any mistake in my painting, so please just mark this mistake. And he just left from there. And in evening when he returned to the same place, so that time he was completely shocked by observing that his painting was completely covered in cut mark, like in circle. So that day he started feeling so much dejected and disheartened. Like means genuinely people don't like my painting, and if they are noticing so many mistake in my painting, so how did they appreciate my painting? So since that day, he started feeling himself losing his quality, and he was feeling not to make more painting, and also he avoided meeting with people. So one day, with this thought, with this same dejected state and sadness state, he was walking in a forest type area. So that day he found a very wise monk in a way, and that wise monk at once recognized this famous painter, because guys, this painter was very famous. That day this monk also recognized like this painter, and also he observed the sadness on his face, and he asked at once like, why are you feeling so much dejected and disheartened? Because you are a famous painter and you used to make so much beautiful and stunning painting, and people from all around the world used to appreciate your painting and used to admire your work. So why are you feeling so much dejected today? So that day, so that time the young man started telling all the things to this monk, what was happened exactly with him. So that day, the monk gave an excellent idea to this young man, and he said like, you should again do the same work, like just keep your finest painting on the same place, and this time just change your notes on my saying. So okay, the young man agreed at once, and now they both went to that place, and he again took his very beautiful painting and placed in the very busy street. And also that time he on only monks saying, that day the man wrote on this notice board, yes, like, if you find any mistake in my painting, so please just correct this mistake. And after placing the painting and the note on the right place, they both left from there. And in the same day, in evening, when they returned, so that time the man was completely shocked by observing, like, this time, guys, this painting was completely untouched, means not a single person has touched this painting. And at that time the man asked to the monk, why, means this thing happened. Means the first day when I wrote mm, to find out a mistake in my work, so means there are lots of people who just found out mistake. But today, I think no one has touched my painting. When I said, like, yes, if you find any mistake, so try to, so please correct it. So that time the monk smiled, and the monk made this man understand everything, like in this world, you will always find such type of people who always ready to point out your mistake without offering you any real or genuine solution. So that day, guys, means this young man felt very relaxed. And also the monk made him understand, like, if there's a people who want to give you, who want to criticize your work genuinely, so definitely they will be also ready to offer help to make it fix, to make you understand how to fix it. But if there's a person who is only just ready to point out mistake only without any reason, so never try to get yourself down by finding these type of like criticism or negative comment. So that day the young man felt very relaxed, and since that day, after hearing the monk word, he again started embracing his dedication and his passion towards painting, and again started making painting as usually he was doing. So, my dear friend, keep faith in yourself and in your journey, and trust your abilities, and let your action define your worth. And I hope, guys, that you also know very well that your true growth begins only when you focused on your purpose, not on the noise behind you or around you. Okay, so with this beautiful hope, keep learning, keep signing, and keep smiling. Bye bye. Take care.